Okay, so staying on the theme of trying to find areas of tight tissue and then having a methodology for freeing that restriction up, we've got our happy stick here. We're going to use a chair to do a little bit of a posterior tilt. Make sure your back is well protected. And the idea is once you've located an area of restriction, you're going to use pressure over that restriction. So in the front of the shin, we've got a whole shin area. But once we find a restriction, we're going to keep working that tissue. So that's the front shin. From there, we work our way into the perineal compartment. And the idea is I found a restriction right here, and I'm just going to really try to seek and destroy that area of tissue restriction. If I work my way into the quadricep, I can scan it, but once I find an area of tissue restriction, I'm going to work over that area of restriction. Work my way over to the IT band, find that area of restriction, and work it for 5 seconds. From here, I can work my way to my lateral hamstring, find that restriction, work it for 5 seconds. And here, I can work my glute for 5 seconds, and I can work my low back for 5 seconds. When we worked the outside of the leg, we can work to the inside of the leg. You've got this inside shin muscle. Again, tighten your pelvis and work that inside shin. Work that inside groin. Work that tissue restriction out. Work into the medial hamstring. And each time you found an area of restriction, you stay on it for about 5 seconds.